1990s, Steve Garber as a 23rd landing at ringside. Overlooked in favour of David Price for the Olympics, and that is something he is annoyed about.
You know, this being obviously his first fight, but you know, already getting to work with both hands. Very rare you see a guy of his size, his stature, working body in their first fight, but this is a good onslaught.
Good body shots from Fury, and he's trying to produce a spectacular performance here on his opening fight of his professional career. Oh, left hand goes in, and his community, Dad included, who could do it.
Much more cautious approach from...
Oh, that's a good right hand. Zella felt that one, really good quality. Oh. That's a good quality uppercut, really good right hand. Foot, he's not slipping anything. This uppercut there.
Well, he's done well so far, Zella, to stand up to this attack, because Fury's putting...
It's been ticking over, he's fighting, keeping really busy, which is good to see, and that's good hand speed. And that's a nice variety. Good body shot, Duke, lovely. And never even taken a standing 8 count.
Well, I'll tell you what, these are good punches from Fury, because...
It's your lead, just try one.
The people out there who say that Fury... To make it an awkward night here for Tyson Fury. Plenty of young talent in the heavyweight division in this country, and Fury trying to show that he's the best of them.
For some strange reason, Ellis just decided to walk in.
To get through this opening round.
Well, if you're going to walk into the firing line, you're going to get nailed. Well, it'll be the first time that Fury's been met jab for jab, I'll tell you that. Straight down the pipe, plenty of power behind it.
Almost swinging himself.
Really blessed with good technical skills, but game. Took the shot, no, that was a signal, another signal, and Fury there.
To prove that he's number one.
To much more even money.
In his 10th profession, never been stopped. It's December time, had a good shot and a jab out and snake it out. And before too much further, Salazar's very much at 6s and 7s, and yep, I think that'll...
Good shots from McDermott, and Fury is in a fight for the first time. That was good. Well, good response from...
If you're going to get in the big market there, that's not racist, believe me. But the big money market in America, if you can come up with a good white champion.
But for a man with so few fights, this is his 9th fight. You know, he's keen to learn, and he's got the ability to learn, and he's got power. He put it down like a clubbing motion, which is wrong.
Recover his feet there. That's going to work in the body as well, Fury. Big punches.
I think that's just taking all the desire. Oh, Blasco.
On his way to another quick-fire win here, Tyson Fury.
No, Jim Kelly wants to know what about Nascimento socks, and Jim Cox says he's wearing shin pads. No, he's not, fellas. I tell you what, he's showing plenty of heart, even if he has got shin pads on.
Left sneaking through the guard there as well. He was just picking his shots up, and there, straight right, beautiful.
He's up.
Put him down. The Brazilian has got to his feet as we look at Tyson. It's when it all came to an end for Nascimento.
Ref's looking there.
Watching on.
Look, straight in, and that was when he had the eye contact. You could see it. Top of the head, that is, just on the temple.
Yeah.
He's out momentarily, quickly rolled on.
And they presumably believe he's in Tennessee. Tentative Tyson on number 2. They never even sealed it. Is it true? And first 2, and his straight. Rogan is not getting good punching distance for himself, and he's also rushing in squared up. Body punches now by Fury are having a big impact.
Yeah, the body shot there for the body. And there's a left and a right, convincing now than it did earlier on. Good combination again, and that has really hurt Rogan. Left to the body.
Looks a little shaken here, Vinny Madelon. That's another crack. He already needs a miracle. He, for now, has survived Madelon. Shaky there, another great body shot from Fury. Just how hard Tyson Fury hits, another right hand.
Madelon now coming back with very few punches at this jump. That one missed by about 1.5 feet, but you can see...
Good accuracy again, though, for... wants the referee to stop the wonder. He takes much more of this. He has to get in.
The soft puncher he thought it was, and he just caught Steve Cunningham with a nice right hand there, and Steve's got to be careful. Knocking Steve down, getting him tired. Good body shot. Steve's almost done here. Look at this.
There's another good one, and he's down. Cunningham is knocked down by Fury. Fury got the right hand, and Cunningham is floored.
He's hurt bad. You see him using that forearm.
He's very dangerous, and you know the gamesmanship is all good, but I think he's only going to do it when he knows he can. You know what I mean?
Good right hand there from Fury.
Going a bit rough in there now. Jeff Hines is going to have to. Well, that's off to the break.
There's the first offence. I don't think it was a heavy shot, but the warning signs there now, and any more infringement, I'm pretty sure he will get a turn taken away. So just have.
And a bell down to that low blow. Oh, it's a terrific right hand! Great right hand from Tyson Fury. Down at the end of this third round. Good right hand. A good right hand. Two landing simultaneously. That's better from Hammer.
Good shots. And again, through the guard there.
Well, it's hit.
And leaning on him as well.
And that is a mighty lump of weight as well.
Yeah.
He is a big man. Oh, great shot. Terrific right hand.
A little body shot just to start that little combination off. Look at that, right on the top of the head. Didn't see it, John.
Einfach mal einen Hüpf. Tyson wollte ausgeglichene Punktrichter spielen. Und das war zum ersten Mal die 2. Immer noch ausgeglichen, wenn ich. Und Fury probiert.
So Fury running out of ideas pretty quick.
Oh, it's a solid shot, Safari. Sinking.
Był nieuchwytny, poruszał się jak baletnica.
No jest zdecydowanie szybszy. Widać lekkość, z jaką porusza się Tyson Fury.
Później już ci wielcy wracali.
He's trying to be more aggressive. There's a right hand by Fury. Fury coming forward. Fury pressing the action. There's a shot, my goodness. 80 seconds to go in the first. Oh, there's a jab. A jab that snapped, and Fury eats it well. But back comes Fury. Oh my goodness, they're fighting even after the bell. Very entertaining ring walks. A right hand. Wilder got clipped.
Then win the first couple rounds.
A right hand, down goes Wilder. Down goes Wilder. Wilder is exhausted. Fury, down goes Wilder again. For this Fury swarming Wilder. Fury looking for the finish. Fury with a right to the body. Coming upstairs. Wilder languishing on the ropes. Wilder needs to stay away from the ropes.
He does not look good.
A right hand. It's team up. The corner's in. And this one is over. Tyson Fury has become the new. Makes this high. One mistake. Usyk looks so much smaller in there. Face as he comes.
Wilder so well in the second fight. Absolutely again, that break to the jab and seemed to be better for. Will I get too close and catch me clean?
Nice jab there.
Most smooth up that jab there.
I also feel Fury needs a commitment in Usyk, the middleweight, as Fury would call him.
Smile there from Usyk when he took it.
With the ones and twos and then an upper.
Hand from Fury there, thought on the top of the head.
This is the lightest Fury has been in 5 years.
Just lovely work.
Contest. 50. As you said, Darren, he's starting to flow.
He's not winning the round. He's still got
So much respect.
He does seem to have his bounce back and rise.